two that might need to be changed out eventually, shortly, very soon.
I'll take you. You wanted that fucking fluke, but you settled for the spinnerbait. Where's all my 3-pounders? I've come out here and only caught 3-pounders before.
You little bitch.
You missed another one? I'll get them. I get them. Don't worry about it. Other side of the log this time?
No, same side.
Oh, well, we went to the other side.
You
Let's
might
go
come
around.
to the other side and play as well. You did get in there.
He did. Better fish. Alright. It's, you unhooked yourself. I like that. I like that. If you all did that. What's up, buddy? Come here. Get out there.
Yeah.
Another little bass. All right. Come on now. So we switched over. I'd rather catch little bass.
Yeah, me too.
So, you know, all right. We found the bass. Which means there's got to be a better one over here.
Piece of shit. And it was a pickerel. I can tell by the way the fucking thing's sitting right now.
And another one.
Spinnerbait.
You the same little bass? Choking it up? I can get one more before we run out of water, probably.
Right.
Another little fella.
I have to switch to mine. I don't know how much I trust it, but I'm willing to try it.
Get in here, dude. I'm trying to drive and catch you, dude. Get in here, man. Yeah. Oh shit.
Good size one?
Best one of the day. I thought you were a damn lily pad, brother. It's the heaviest
I
fish.
want to switch to spinnerbait and chance my life with it.